Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'll show how the eBay out of stock function works, why it's critical to enable it to get more sales on eBay, and also how to enable eBay's out of stock function. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 24 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, the reason to have eBay's out of stock function enabled is that it stops your listings from ending and losing all the valuable sales history when one or more of your listings runs out of stock. Let me show you what I mean. Take this listing as an example. This listing has sold 40 times since it was first listed. In the industry, this is known as sales history, i.e. sold 40 times. And buyers on eBay love listings with sales history, even if the sales history is only 1. A sales history of just 1 looks a lot better than a sales history of 0. Now, if the eBay out of stock function is not enabled, if a listing runs out of stock, eBay will end that listing and all of that sales history, i.e. sold 40 times, will be lost forever. However, if the eBay out of stock function is enabled, the listing can have 0 available and eBay will not end that listing, therefore protecting the very valuable sales history. Just a caveat on this though, if the item remains at 0 available for 2 months, then eBay will automatically end that listing even with the out of stock function enabled. However, if during that 2-month period, if stock is added again at any time, the 2 months automatically resets again. Okay, so how do you enable eBay's out of stock function? To do this, on any page on eBay, click on My eBay, then Account, then Selling Preferences. Then you'll see the option of Listings Stay Active when you're out of stock. Note that by default, this out of stock function is disabled. To enable the out of stock function, simply move the slider to the right. That's it. That's all it takes to enable eBay's out of stock function. If you also want to know how to increase eBay sales fast, make sure you check out this video up here. And I'll also put a link below the video. That's all for this week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.